All right, let's talk about the Warrior Sleep Protocol. It's time to reset your rhythm and take back your energy.
Look, true discipline isn't about brute force. It's all about how smart you recover.
So, ask yourself, if you're scrolling all night and your mornings are a wreck, you're not in control. Let's fix that. This right here is the protocol to reclaim your energy. The old, tired you, that person, dies today. Here's where most people mess up. They try to go to bed earlier. We're gonna fix your sleep by locking in your wake-up time. This is your anchor. You pick one time, alarm goes off, feet hit the floor immediately. Because when you hit snooze, you're just telling your brain your goals can wait. They can't. Okay, now for the main enemy of your recovery. Yep, your phone. That blue light is literally poisoning your melatonin. It's actively wrecking your ability to recover. Quick reality check. If your phone is next to your bed, you've already lost the battle tonight. Your bedroom is for one thing, tactical recovery, not for scrolling through endless garbage. Let's interrupt that bad pattern. Your phone charges in another room. And that is not a suggestion. These are the two non-negotiable rules. This is your digital kill switch. Just do this for 3 days. You're gonna feel like you've been reborn. I'm serious. So let's build on that. A true warrior prepares for victory the night before it happens. You have to plan your mission before you go to sleep. You need to wake up with purpose. Use all that time you're saving from scrolling to actually prepare for win. And this is the real key. We're not just building habits, we are shifting your entire identity. So stop trying to sleep better. Become the person who uses recovery as a weapon. See, it's not complicated. This is the simple, powerful foundation for elite performance. Your transformation starts tonight, so the only real question left is, are you actually ready to commit?
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.